Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to go through batching tasks. I know that this is a question that I get asked a lot, which is how can I get more done in my business? How do I get more organized? And how do I create more things? So if that's something you're interested in, stick around because that's what I'm going to go through. Okay, let's jump in. So why do I batch tasks? First of all, you can zone in and get laser focused on the task that you're doing. So you can do a task without interruption. You can also get more done. It'll save you time in the bigger scheme of things, and it will help you to be more organized. So how do you work out what to batch? Okay, so if you aren't a planning person, the best thing to do is grab a piece of paper, write down whether you're planning out for the month, the quarter, or the week. Grab a piece of paper, write a to-do list of everything that you want to get done for that specific time period. So on your list, you want to write down the main tasks that you want to get done, but you also want to break that down into all the smaller tasks that need to be done in order to get the overall thing done. So for instance, if your main goal this month is to record 4 YouTube tutorials and get them scheduled or posted so that you've got 4 up this month, then your tasks that you might batch would be planning out the videos on what you're actually going to include. So you do all of those videos, plan them all out in one go. Then you would record the videos back to back. So you might spend an hour or 2 recording the actual videos. Then you would edit all the videos together. So all your editing is done at once. Then you would upload and schedule your videos all at once. So you see how you're batching all of these tasks together. It means that you are zoning in on those particular tasks and giving them more attention and getting everything done a lot quicker when you do it this way. Another example would be social media. So say you want to have 2 posts a day on your social media platform every day this month. Then how you're going to do that is you're going to batch your tasks, like you're going to write the content calendar for the month. That's what you're going to do as one task. So you come up with all of your ideas at once. So that's batching them. Then you're going to create all the post images for the month or for whatever time period you're doing. Then you're going to create all the captions that go with it, again, all in one sitting. Then you're going to schedule all the posts into whatever scheduling platform you use, again, all at once, because you're batching them together. So other tasks that you could batch would be things like research, like keyword research. If you're going to create some new products, keyword research all the products that you're going to be creating. If you're going to be creating new products, actually batch the creation of the products. If you're going to be creating new products and you need mock-up images, batch create the mock-ups that you're going to be doing or using. Once you've created products, batch together the creation of the download instruction page and add your links to it. So do all of that at once. Then when you get ready to list your products in your store, do all of those tasks at the same time. So you're listing everything at the same time. See how this is going? So you're just getting all the similar tasks or the same tasks and you're doing them all together. Other tasks that you could do would be like emailing your email list. Set up, if you want to email your list once a week, set them all up a month in advance. Sit down and do 4 emails at once. If you want to keep on top of your email inbox, do that at once. Just sort it all out in one sitting. If you are like me and you like to look at your stats in your shop or on your platforms, do it all in one go. So I like to set aside time on a Friday morning and I look at the stats on everything, compare it to last week, compare it to last month, go through it, try and analyze it. So you can do that in one sitting. Same as planning. If you need to plan out your month or your quarter or your week or your day, do it in one sitting. Plan out exactly what you need to get done. So if I was to plan out the month, then I might sit down and I'll plan out the month, break it down into the weeks and break it down into the days all in one sitting so that I have a plan to work from. And it would all be batched out like this. So I hope that this gives you some ideas on how to batch things in your business. This is something that I've always done my whole entire life, even when I was working, and people would say to me, how did you get so much done? Or I'd have a performance review and people would be saying to me like, how do you manage your time so well and like get so much done compared to other people? And this is just something that's always been built into me, and I never realized that other people didn't do it. So this is how I do things. I hope that it helps you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Have a fantastic day, and yeah, happy planning and batching.